10 Signs of Maturity. 1. Small talks no longer executive. 2. Self is better than a Friday night out. 3. You forgive more. 4. You become open minded. 5. You respect difference. 6. You don't force love. 7. You accept hard touches. 8. You don't judge easily. 9. You something prepare to be silent then to engage in a nonsense fight. 10. Your happiness does not depend on people but on your inner self. Type yes if you agree. Thank you for watching.